groceries. I'm ready to start making dinner and ready to kick off the 30 days of the Defined Dish Challenge with Steak Street Tacos because you guys all wanted it. So let's get started. I'm gonna put the meat paper over it, and then I'm gonna take this metal spoon and pound it because I don't have a meat pounder. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut small, about 1/4 inch chunks, maybe a little bit bigger, of the meat. All right, so this is my extra large skillet. I call him Big Daddy Skillet. And I think it's 16 inches, right? 16 inches. So I've got this warming up on medium heat. I'm gonna add some olive oil, and then we're gonna add our beef. And to this, we're also going to add a 1/4 cup of onions. And you're gonna spread it out in the skillet so it's an even layer. And we're gonna let this cook for about 4 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add all of our spices. So in here I've got cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I'm just gonna add that in and mix it so it's fully coated. And then we're gonna keep cooking this until the steak is fully cooked, so about 4 to 5 more minutes. All right, the meat is all set and ready to go. It's nice and crispy on the edges and cooked through. And now I've got a tortilla that's warming up in the skillet here. This is just regular flour tortillas because I'm not really on any sort of diet and I don't want to spend the money on the siete tortillas. And then we're gonna go ahead and assemble. So I've got the steak, I've got some white onion and some cilantro that I just chopped up. And I'm gonna add this spicy taco sauce. The recipe says you can use any hot sauce or salsa that you like. So this is just what I'm gonna use, and it's gonna be delicious.